to change it also. I can move this point. So you can see that as I'm moving this point, this point A is changing, this A is changing, and this F is also changing. Okay, what I can do, I can move this, I can rename this, I can move this F also. So when I'm going to right click on this, so you can see that certain option has been opened out, segment F, AB, show object, show label, trace on, rename, delete, object property. So let me rename it. So what I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this, suppose A, B. So you can see that now it has been changed. So you have the control for naming the objects which you are using in GeoGebra. So you can see that I have just put, so I can move this also. Okay, and on algebra view, it has been changed. Okay, 11.14. Now, before it was showing with the name F, label F. Now it has been changed. Okay, so this is my advice is that just play with these options over here. Okay, so there are several other perpendicular line option. So this means that I have to take a point and I have to draw a perpendicular on a line, given line. So if I go here and if I take this options now, so you can see that when I have selected this option, when I've selected this option perpendicular, means that this option is selected. Which option? The perpendicular line. Select a point, and it is giving you information also what you have to do. You have to select a point and a perpendicular line. You have to select a point and perpendicular line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this point, this C point. So this point has been that it has become bold. The line also. Suppose I select this line. So as I selected this line, so you got a line which is perpendicular to this. So if I'm going to move this point, also, suppose I move this AB line. See, I'm moving this AB perpendicular. So C is fixed, and that line, it will change according. That's why I'm calling it dynamic. You're changing this A, and this perpendicular line which I have drawn is also changing accordingly. You can do several other things also. You can draw a polygon also here. Suppose this is the first option. You can draw a regular polygon. So suppose I take the second option, regular polygon. So wherever I'm going to click, ask me how many sides polygon you want. So I want, suppose I give 5 over here. So I can type 5. So when I'm going to type over here, so I'm going to get a polygon. So it is directly, when I'm going to give, it is going to give me a polygon of sides. So regular polygon. So it is a regular polygon of 5 sides, a pentagon. So it is a regular pentagon. There are other options also. What I can do, I can move this window also. See, I can move this view also wherever you want. Suppose I want to other things also. I can, if I don't want the grid, then I can move the grid. So this is like acting, I have right click. So when I have right click on it, so these options comes. So it is like when I'm going to click it, the grids come. When I again click it, the grid goes out. So this also you can do. So let us suppose there are several other options. With center through a point, you can draw a circle with given circle with 3 points. You can draw a semicircle. So there are several options. Suppose I took this option, circle with, when I'm going to put it, so it is going to ask radius, how many radius circle I want. Suppose I want a circle with radius of unit 4. So it will draw a circle with radius 4 unit and center SK. Now there are several options.